BC homeowner, before you sign any solar quote, you should hear this first. Solar quotes in BC can vary by thousands of dollars, depending on the installer. Many homeowners skip the comparison step and could end up overpaying. I work with teams that have completed over 230 installs across BC, so I can show you what a fair quote looks like in just 2 minutes and a few clicks. And yes, there are updated self-generation rebates you may qualify for. Our team can also help handle the paperwork for you. Getting an unverified quote could mean missing a rebate window or paying more long-term, especially now that the Greener Homes loan has closed. That's why I built a 2-minute calculator for BC Homes. Enter your address, and it will estimate your system size, realistic cost, and potential savings. And if you use code SOLARV and are among the first 15 users today, we'll include a $3,800 system discount. Tap the link. Check your numbers now. Compare before you talk to any sales rep. It's fast, it's clear, and it can help you make a much better decision for your home and your wallet.